Hey guys, Martin here with UTV Stereo. As you already know, we offer the industry's best audio solutions for your UTV. But today, let's talk about something slightly different, integrating better technology directly into your side-by-side. Did you know that we offer a plug-and-play solution that will provide features like remote start, power door locks, and security? You can even use your phone to control and track the vehicle with an optional phone application module. These kits come ready to install right out of the box. They are pre-programmed and include a plug-and-play harness to make the installation process simple. Let's take a look at the system in action on this Polaris Xpedition. Laid out on this table, we have the complete kit here for you. We have the plug and play harnesses here that make for a quick and easy install. We have the siren for the security system. We have the door lock actuators here. We have the brain. We have the two-way remote system as well as the one-way companion remote. The shock sensor, antenna, and the LED indicator light for the security system. We also have the optional phone application control module. Hey guys, so this is going to be the best placement for these components here. They're all cut to length, but this is the best placement here. You're going to have your brain, your shock sensor, your drone, and your antenna. We do have the indicator light here. This is the best placement for that as it's going to blink and shine against the windshield, allows you to get that indicator that it is activated. All right, I do have my installation tech here that's going to show us everything for best placement and routing of the wiring.
This is where we mounted our siren. All the wiring comes right here. It drops down to the bottom opening on the firewall. You have your power and your ground and your brake switch harness coming this way. Your ground is going to connect right here, 12 volt right here. This harness drops down to the brake switch right here and it interrupts the factory brake switch on the car, which is also down here. You just unplug it, it's a T-harness, and it should be pretty easy.
These kits are available through UTV Stereo authorized dealers, but for more information, be sure to check out utvstereo.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see all of our innovative products built specifically for your UTV.